this little one. I couldn't get this one to work yesterday because I didn't have a consistent enough wind. So this is a little tiny version of the big one that tried to kill me. Have not flown this yet.
Oh, that is really small.
See, this one has way more skin than
Yeah, it's just like the other one.
Alright,
Same.
you're gonna hold it. This is the facing me, this is the bottom. Okay, hold the lines.
Yeah, that's a long string.
I see these lines seem way longer than the other one.
They are. We're ready. Oh yeah. Flip it over one more time to get that twist out.
Can't tell which way my twist is. There it goes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I barely have enough wind for this.
I'd say the wind just kind of died down since we first pulled out.
Where am I lying?
I know where there's lots of wind.
Yeah, I ain't doing that.
Where is there a lot of wind?
Alas! It is so weird.
That's not how that works.
Oh!
Hey, I got him untangled. He gets up there, it's happy. I could fly this thing in a hurricane. Come on. Come on. You gotta march it back to you. I love it. It's so easy. Like this compared to the big one is nothing.
Yeah, I believe it.
What does the big one do that's more difficult?
Generates about 300 pounds of pull.
Oh,
Tried
man.
to kill me.
Yeah, I imagine this
It
body is
sucked
not 300
really bad.
pounds.
Yeah, this is only a 1.2, so it's
Yeah,
really.
I was being lifted up by that kite.
It
Dang.
was violent. Like I got hurt,
Oh my god.
and then I tried it again a couple days later. I got hurt again. All right, kick it. Come on, Peanut. Up there, I'm great. I got mad lift, and then it does that.
It's dying. It looked like
it would have hurt if that was
after it hit the ground, it looked like a dog like limping.
When it works really good. I gotta get a blow the wind here. Let's go back that way a little bit.
Pretty tangled. Okay.
Like right behind me. I'm still trying to figure out how to shoot this, and I think the best shot is behind, like over, yeah. So you can catch both sides of it. I don't know. That's why we do blog. It's research. It's where we document all our screw-ups. You happy with that? What's wrong? You can't just hang it on one end. You gotta let it fill. That works. Then we get it in the air and then the wind dies down. We have it on the ground, we're fighting the wind. Yeah, this little thing, I could fly this in a hurricane. Come on. Isn't it weird? I've never seen a kite do that. It gets on its back and it's just totally chill. And now the wind's back.
Yup.
There goes our wind. It's really crazy turbulent. It's because of all the stuff we're in the middle of. this up to your hill and be okay with it. All right, I'd say that's a successful test.
How'd you rate the kite?
Oh, this 10. It's great. It's not hard to fly. It's rock controllable, very reliable. It does what you tell it to do. It's really well built. It's not expensive.
How expensive is not expensive?
This one was like 40 bucks, 50 bucks. It was not. Batman, stop! Go around this way, all the way around, one time. Now, stop there. Now go backwards half a turn. You're there. Lay it on its back and we'll fold it up. I'll card it. Yeah, the Prism stuff is really good kites. I've been very impressed. I've been doing a lot of experimentation with kites, mainly the cheap kites. Like, you can buy way more expensive kites. And what I learned in the first few weeks, because I haven't been doing this for very long, is that with kites, at least up to, I've never bought a kite that costs more than 100 bucks. Most of what I started at like $14 to $25 kites. Mm-hmm. And when you jump from there up to like $40 kites, the difference is remarkable. And you get what you pay for. That being said, I have a shitty $14 kite that I keep for flying off the roof. Mm-hmm. And it works. I mean, it's a shitty kite, but it works. But when you get into stuff like this with the power kites, the money matters a lot. Like spending a whole $50 on a kite. I'm used to the world of model airplanes where 50 bucks will get you like a set of landing gear. Mm-hmm. So to get into this, it's like, wow, everything is so cheap. And then you find that no, you can buy, $1,000 kites. It's not even hard to find $1,000 kites. But $1,000 kites are ridiculously huge and really well built, and guys use them for like kite boarding and kite buggying. That's a thing. Huh?
Why don't you go fly a kite?
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh. If you'd move that damn building, keeps blocking my wind, maybe cut those trees down. How you doing, Steve?
All right.
This is Steve. He's awesome. He's a gentleman who takes care of the church next door. We actually met from flying stuff.
No.
Yeah.
He spent my first summer flying. Doesn't happen so much anymore. No. But my first summer flying, I spent more time on the roof that year than he did.
My airplane's on the roof.
Yeah, my airplane's on your roof. Oh, do you guys own that house? We do. You do? Okay, there's a gentleman wandering around over there who needs to talk to you. He wants to fix the fence. He's a retired engineer. He's a nice guy. He's smart. He lives next door, I think.
Oh, okay.
He's bored. And he wants to fix the fence. And I think you want to let him.
I have to talk to my boss.
Well, you can talk to him, and you two talk to bosses and do stuff. Good seeing you, sir. Thank you.
I'm glad Maggie was back.
Yeah, she's doing fine.
Yeah.
You should stop by her house.
I do. I go over talk to her once in a while. Not very friendly, but...
Mackie?
No.
She's friendly.
She won't come up to me.
You give her a cookie, you make a friend.
I know that.
Come on inside, we'll give you cookies.
So sometimes I bring a cookie up.
Her love can be bought. Oh God, Lucas is here.
Just like women, Chris.
Tell me about it.
Sorry I'm late. They had to test me for tuberculosis.
And do you have tuberculosis?
I don't know yet.
Oh, you'll know in a few days. You probably do.
Probably.
Have you been hanging out with Funky?
Well, not enough.
Okay.
Why did you have to be tested for tuberculosis?
You getting a job in healthcare, or is this for school?
No, it's for not job in healthcare, but around healthcare.
Oh. Yeah, anything even remotely healthcare, you're going to get a TB test.
Yeah, for a valet parker near a hospital.
Oh wow. So literally just around healthcare, like not even remotely related, just next door.
Yep. So.
Have the valet giving, the patient's TV.
Well, you got to think about that. If the valet had TV, you're going to have like huge infections, and nobody's going to know where the hell it's coming from.
Yep.
That's pretty clever. I support that. And the TV test is nothing. It doesn't cost shit. It's just a prick.
Yep. It's a little mosquito bite thing now. It's back in a few days.
Flying the big one now?
Did you consistent enough?
The wind isn't consistent enough. That's what's going to hinder its ears. We'd have to go out to Bat Hill. That's what we're calling your spot now. It's Bat Hill.
Bat Hill?
Bat Hill.
Bat Hill.
Alright. So, put him on...
Can't.
Why?
Blade died. You need a new blade.
What do you mean blade died?
Blade worn out. Cut out 2 sections of rail. It does that. I need a new blade. It's got more rail. Stop cutting the rail. I know. You be pouty face all you want. Put the splitter close in.
Okay. You did your supplier request?
Yeah.
Where's my radio?
On your belt.
No, it's not. Where the hell did I put my radio? Probably up front by where I was fixing the keg. We'll be back. Let me try that. You gotta hit. You have to have the gas. Yeah, here. You take the blog. This is gonna be fun. So this is totally fucked, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's beyond totally
I'm just making
fucked.
sure.
Should I stand back more? I need safety glasses.
No.
for this.
If anything, it's gonna go out the bottom. I wouldn't go that high with it.
Why not?
It'd blow out the top.
Your oil light's on. Sounds manly. I wanna.
Smoking. Yeah, she's toast.
Proper fucked.
Yep. I don't know what we're gonna take
Here.
off of it though.
The plate I need. And
Well, the mirrors are good.
I'll have
We
to
could.
bring
We
these
could
items.
Yours are good.
the mirrors. The hood's fine.
The tires are actually
The
really
fog
good.
lights look pretty good. It's
I mean,
fine.
there's a few
It's
things
great.
we can Crack off of it.
What is that? A Mazda 3?
Yeah.
Oh, that was bad.